Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video, we're going to walk through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Armenia. Before I proceed further, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Armenia e-visa issuance system. If you're coming here for the first time, click on apply for an e-visa. Travel document type. First you're gonna check your eligibility. Okay. So I selected ordinary passport. You do as per your case. Then the country that has issued this to you. Okay. Now it's asking you to put email and this code. And it will send a verification link to your email account. From there, it's gonna proceed to the next stage. So I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, guys. So I clicked on the link and it reached to this page where it has gone to the second tab. So passport number. Do it as per your own case. Don't go by what I'm doing. Issued on. And these details that you enter here, verify at least, not just once, at least 2 times. Okay. They have an infinite button. I don't know how could there could be a passport that never expires. But anyway, given name. As I said, guys, verify everything 2 times. And this is just sample. Okay. Don't go by what you see here. Personal data, nationality, place of birth. You can check your passport for these things. Make sure they match. Have you ever been convicted of any offense? I select no. Occupation. Consultant. Address. Provide your proper address. Phone. Provide your proper phone number. Contact information. In Armenia. So let's say if you're staying at a hotel, you can provide the contact information, or if you are staying with a friend, you can provide their information. Or see, they have given explanation also, hotel apartment. Okay. Now, attachment, facial photo is required. Okay, image, passport, scan. Okay. So these two are required. You can upload document. So these two are showing, this one is mandatory, this one. Supporting document not mandatory, but what are the things? But I think if you have this like medical travel insurance, hotel reservation, proof of funds, air ticket, these things will uh, provide strong hold to your case. So I'm gonna go get through this and then I'm gonna see you guys. So after uploading those two, it is asking that please submit the following mandatory documents. So although in the previous screen it was not coming mandatory, but you must provide my travel insurance, valid visa issued by other supporting documents if applicable, or travel ticket, air ticket, invitation. Okay, one-way ticket. Okay. All right. So based on the cases, okay. All right. Next. Oh, it is asking me to provide this. Otherwise, it will not let me go. So, Shenzhen. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna get through these documents and then I'm gonna see you guys. Okay. I was able to through that. Now, purpose of visit, you need to select tourism, business, sport, culture, medical, family, and study, education. So I select tourism. Okay. Visa type they have given single entry and this for multiple entry. And this is for 124 months. One is for just 3 weeks. Wow. Date of entry into Armenia. Let's say I give for this one. This will valid for 180 days. Okay. Your visit to cannot exceed. Okay, fine. Next. All right. So now next is to go for terms condition proceed for payment. So that I'm definitely not gonna do. But you got an idea how to do this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.